In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload a PDF to Behance. Currently, Behance does not provide a direct option to upload PDFs, but there is a workaround you can use. You can convert your PDF into images and then upload those images to Behance as a project. To do this, open any browser and search for PDF to JPEG. Press Enter, and you'll see a variety of websites that offer free PDF to image conversion services. Click on any of these sites, then click on Choose Files, and select the PDF file you want to convert. After uploading the file, click on Convert, and the site will process your PDF into separate image files. Once the conversion is complete, click on Download to save the images to your computer. The images will usually be downloaded as a zip file. Navigate to your Downloads folder, locate the zip file, right-click on it, and select Extract here. You'll now see the extracted image files. Return to your Behance profile, scroll down, and click on Create a Project. Inside the project editor, click on Image and upload the image files you just extracted. Wait for the upload to finish. Once uploaded, you can click on Preview to see how your project looks. The images will appear in sequence, just like the pages of a PDF. As you scroll down, viewers will move through each page of your original PDF, and that's how you can upload a PDF to Behance by converting it to images.